WhatsApp is all set to roll out new features. The popular messaging app that keeps updating its features is working on a new set of changes for its users, as reported by WhatsApp tracker WA Beta Info. Take a look at what's in store. WhatsApp plans to bring a feature where users will be able to send messages to themselves. A message yourself caption will be seen on opening the app along with the user's own phone number. The feature will be available to beta users on Android and iOS. WhatsApp has also started testing the feature. Users will soon be able to forward GIFs, images, documents and videos along with captions. This will help the recipient in understanding the context of the media much faster. Two edit tools will allow users to completely or partially blur sensitive images before they hit the send button. The feature will also allow users to choose the blur size to apply the effect. The option will be available for desktop beta users at the moment. WA Beta Info had reported in June 2022 that an image blurring feature was being developed for desktop users. WhatsApp is introducing the Facebook-like avatars features for some beta users, where users can set up a digital person of themselves as profile picture with the help of a new avatar category in Settings menu. The new features will help the WhatsApp users to send and receive messages clearly and with much more ease. So which feature are you most excited to see? Do tell us in the comments. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.